17-year-old girl gone missing in Olympic Gardens, St. Andrew. Chef gunned down in Westmoreland. Domestic dispute turns deadly. Man fatally stabbed. 42-year-old female held. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. An another alert has been activated for 17-year-old Janelle Davison, otherwise called Chin, of Olympic Gardens, St. Andrew, who has been missing since Tuesday, September 12. She is of brown complexion, slim build, and about 155 centimeters or 5 feet 1 inches tall. Reports from the Olympic Gardens police are that about 8:30 p.m., Janelle was last seen at home wearing a white dress with black stripe and a multicolor bag. She has not been heard from since then. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Janelle Davison is being asked to contact the Olympic Gardens police at 876-923-5468, the 119 police emergency number, or the nearest police station. Detectives within the Westmoreland Police Division are probing the circumstances surrounding the killing of a chef who was gunned down at a bar in Savannah Lamar in the parish by men traveling on a motorcycle on Thursday. The deceased has been identified as 37-year-old Glenroy McNaughton of Darlington, Westmoreland. Reports are that about 8:40 p.m., McNaughton was at a bar in the Dunbars River area of Savannah Lamar when he was pounced upon by armed men traveling on a motorcycle. The men alighted from the motorcycle and opened gunfire at McNaughton, who ran but was chased and shot. The men escaped from the area. The police were summoned and the injured man was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. A 42-year-old female identified as Sharon Thompson, otherwise called Tanisha of Farm Heights, Montego Bay, St. James, was charged with murder after a man was fatally stabbed during a domestic dispute in the parish. The deceased has been identified as Dominic Poirier, otherwise called White Guy, of the Rhyme Park section of the parish. The incident involving the stabbing took place on Monday, September 4th. Reports from the Montego Bay police are that about 7:15 a.m., Poirier and Thompson had a dispute when she used a knife to inflict stab wounds to his upper body. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. She was subsequently arrested and charged. Her court date is being finalized.